0 subscribers, 0 followers, 0 idea what I was doing. That was me when I decided to start building an email list for my online business. I had a blog, I had a domain, and I had absolutely no clue what came next. This is the honest story of what happened, what I got wrong, what I fixed, and what I wish someone had told me on day one. My first mistake was waiting. I told myself I needed more blog posts first, a better design first, a lead magnet first. So I did nothing for months. And every visitor who came to my site during that time and left was gone forever. I had no way to reach them again. The truth is simple. The moment your site is live is the moment you need a form on it. Even 1 subscriber a week compounds over time. When I finally decided to start, I fell into a different trap. I spent 2 weeks researching email tools instead of actually building anything. ConvertKit, MailerLite, ActiveCampaign, Klaviyo. Every article said something different. Every tool had a free tier with a catch. Here's what nobody tells you. Per subscriber pricing means your bill goes up right when your business starts working. You pay more for success. What I did instead was install FluentCRM directly on my WordPress site. Flat annual fee. No per subscriber charges. My data lives on my own server. No third party can delete my list or suspend my account. If you're on Systeme.io or another hosted platform, their built-in email tools work fine to start. The point is not which tool you pick. The point is that you pick one and start. Every guide told me to create a lead magnet, a free PDF, a checklist, a mini course. Give something away to get the email. I chose not to. Here is why. Freebies attract freebie seekers, people who want the free thing and never open another email from you. Your open rates collapse. Your deliverability suffers. I want people who actually want to hear from me. No bribe required. My subscribe page simply says, honest breakdowns of what is working and what is not as I build this business. The first subscribers came slowly. And I want to be honest with you about that because every course and guru makes it sound like the list just grows on its own. It does not. The first 100 subscribers are the hardest. After 100, you have real data on what gets open. You have social proof. You have a list worth sending to. Before 100, you just need patience and consistency. I waited too long to send my first email. I kept telling myself I needed more subscribers first. That was my third mistake. Even 5 subscribers deserve an email. Writing to them forces you to find your voice, figure out what you want to say, and build the habit of showing up consistently. So I finally hit send. And something clicked. It stopped being a task and started being a habit. Here's what I track every week now. New subscribers, open rate on the last email, and unsubscribes. I do not obsess over the total number. I focus on open rate because that tells me if the people already on the list actually care. A 40% open rate on a small list beats a 10% open rate on a massive one. Quality over quantity. Always. You do not need a big audience. You do not need a freebie. You do not need a fancy email platform. You need a form on your site, a tool connected to it, and 1 email sent per week. Short, honest, useful. That is the whole system. Everything else is noise. Start before you are ready. Subscribe to the channel for more honest breakdowns like this one. No fluff, just what actually works.